Hi guys, welcome back. I got this from Temu. It's the Badee Al Oud Sublime Perfume by Litafa. Of course the name would be Sublime. So this one I didn't get a great deal from Temu. You can get the same price on Amazon, $24. It's a unisex fragrance. Top notes are apple, lychee, and rose. I always get scared when it has rose. Middle notes are plum and jasmine. Base notes, moss, vanilla, and patchouli. Suitable for all-time wear, which is what I really like. Very versatile fragrance. This one came out in 2023. It's new to me, and I like the apple. I'm kind of curious about the apple in it, mixing with the rose. Wow, 4.5 stars out of 4,800 reviews. And over 1,000 bought in the last month on Amazon. Tropical, fruity, fresh vanilla fragrance. I love their packaging, you guys. And actually I keep these type of boxes because you can store them like this. And I'm going to spray it out. Oh, so it opens like that. Like a, yeah, she's so hot. But anyway, the Litafa emblem on there. Is that a sticker? No, it's like a metal. It's got like that smooth, almost like rubber. Is that rubber? Like bottle to it. I love that. That's Badee all over the place. I smell the apple right away. Yeah, that's apple. Okay. Wow, that's good. It smells like that Monster, that bad apple one that I got the other day and I hauled. You guys, that is really, really good. I smell the rose a little bit, but it makes it like an apple orchard. That's what it smells like to me. Oh my gosh, that is so different than anything I have too. Finally, I got one that's different. But it's got that tropical vibe. That is crazy. I think it's the jasmine I like and all, because it seems to be that floral note of the jasmine that I like in all like the borderline florals that I actually appreciate. I think it's the jasmine. Oh my God. Men need to get this one too. Because this is one of those that you can, husband and wife couple could wear. And it would smell completely different on each person. Because men always have that like, is it saltier? More that DNA. You know what I mean? Like what makes you a man, you know? I don't need my mind to spiral in that direction. Wow. Anyway, I have a hard time talking about scents and how they smell on a man. It's very intimate. Make sure you guys hit your bell notification, but you guys have to pick this up. $24. This is badass. It's called Badee for a reason. Sublime. You guys, that is so good. That is so good. So I sprayed her out and the box is like velvet. You guys, if she macerates anymore, what is this? What is this? I got a little card. It's asking me to marry them or be their spokesperson. It's like an invitation. No, it's not. Oh my God, it has the scent notes on it. Top note, lychee, rose, and apple. Heart note, jasmine and plum. The base notes, moss, what makes it like a little bit woody. Vanilla and patchouli. I don't smell the patchouli in there at all, really. I think they use patchouli to help it last longer. But you guys, this was done phenomenally. But it was broken right here. Wait, it was broken. Hold on. It broke. But you guys, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 on that. For real though. Just go ahead and grab that one on Amazon because you're not saving anything getting it by the time you pay shipping on Temu. But 24, that is an amazing fragrance. I don't know. But you guys, these scents, I can't help myself. It's so good. Now I'm hungry. But thank you guys for being here for that. But anyway, I love you guys so very much. Make sure you are still subscribed. Definitely thumbs up this video. Hype this video. Hype, baby. Hit your bell notification so you're aware of when I go live. Join us for a jam session when I do dishes, which is a lot of fun. But anyway, join us for Friday nights, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And yeah, we have a lot of fun. We play trivia and pick your poison. And I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.